let's test the simple function. We're just going to seal it. So put this one here and then close the lid, and then we need to push firm on the both sides. Now it's locked, right? You can open it. Now we're going to push the seal. The light's off, we push, and it's done. Look at that, beautiful. Yeah, it's 100% sealed. Very easy to use. Put it back right here. The top should be within here. And we're gonna close the lid. We're gonna push the two sides firmly. You hear the sound? It's locked. Now we are doing the wax seal. We need to, you see there's pretty loose and still air's in there. We're gonna wax first and seal later. You see? Alright, it's done. And push the button. Wow. It's pretty good. It's vacuum and the sealing all together, and the air is out. Pretty good result.